Let me show you what's going on here as we check out wind speeds, and we do have winds that are pretty gusty today. 15 to 25 mile per hour winds. Those are more sustained winds, and then gusting up higher than that. In fact, we're seeing wind gusts right now in Boynton Beach of 27 miles per hour and in Boca of 29 miles per hour. So obviously hazardous beach and boating conditions. Small craft advisory in effect here as you look at Boca. It's kind of hard to see in the background here, but the trees are blowing around. High profile vehicles. If you drive an SUV or a truck or something that's a little higher up off the ground, that's going to blow around a bit as you hit the road today. So keep your hands on your steering wheel, pay attention to what's going on. Here's a quick look at the radar. We do have some showers coming in. A couple of showers in Martin County, sweeping into Hobe Sound and Tequesta. That's some pretty heavy rainfall there in red. That's a heavy downpour. And then down to the south a little bit, we're seeing a few showers kind of cruising on in around Lantana, Lake Worth Beach, now heading inland toward the Turnpike, western parts of Boynton Beach and western parts of Delray, just north of Kings Point there. So rain chances really are going to be around 20 to 30% for the next few days. 20% today, 30% for Tuesday, about 30% for Wednesday. So I don't think you're going to notice a huge difference between 20 and 30. It's just a few more showers for 30%. All the showers are going to be brief and moving quickly from east to west. And then on Halloween, the chance for rain goes down just a tiny bit, back down to 20% because of some drier air that will be in place. So your Halloween forecast looks like this for the evening. Breezy to windy conditions. Temperatures will be in the 70s, and there is a chance Halloween evening for a fast shower or two. So just know that. But it's not going to be widespread rainfall, but a fast shower or two, that won't be out of the question. As we work our way through today, we're going to hit the low 80s. We're already there in many spots. We're seeing temperatures that are around 80 and 79 degrees in Sebastian, 80 in Vero Beach, 80 in Okeechobee, 80 Indiantown, 79 Hobe Sound, 79 West Palm and Lake Worth Beach, 80 in Juno Beach in the tropics here. We continue to watch this area. There's some showers and thunderstorms down there right now, nothing developing, but there's about a 40% chance that something could develop down here in the Southern Caribbean as we get to the end of this weekend into the weekend. It'll stay down the Caribbean most likely through the weekend, and then as we get to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, some models have it going up toward the Bahamas, others have it heading over toward the Yucatan Peninsula. Nothing at the moment headed toward Florida, but certainly something that we'll keep our eyes on for you. Temperatures will be a little below average here, but our average high is actually 83 degrees. So today we're looking at 82, but then more average temperatures for tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday. There you see Halloween with a 20% chance for rain, and 30% Friday, and then 30% Saturday. And Aaron, look at this. As we get to the weekend, we're going to fall back. We turn our clocks back 1 hour on Saturday night or early Sunday morning for the end of daylight saving time. That's a look at your forecast.